Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2009 GMC Sierra. Going to start our walk around on the driver's side. Stopping right up front to look at those tires. Got a little bit of a scratch right there. A little door ding. Overall, the rest of the driver's side looks good. You do have your trailer tow and wiring harness there. One little spot there on the passenger side. Overall, exterior looks nice. Couple little spots like this. Pretty normal wear and tear. Inside the truck now, you do get some power, multiple adjustments here for the driver's seat. It's a nice black cloth seating. 130,616 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, CD. It is a four-wheel drive. All your climate control function just below it there. This is the 6-passenger arrangement. When the armrest is folded out of the way, there's a little bit of additional storage underneath the seat there. Then all the flooring surface is going to be black. In the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seating surface. No rips or tears back here. Looks free of stains as well. Seats are 60-40 split, so we'll flip that out of the way, revealing that additional cargo space. Full spray-in bed liner. Wrapping up on the passenger side, taking one more look around. One more shot over that seating surface. In the front seat, we'll reveal that additional storage space inside the armrest there. And that's going to wrap up your 2009 GMC Sierra.